Hi guys, I hit 2 subs. So what, do you even care? Even you didn't ask, it's good. So, goodbye, I'm gonna leave you there. What if I unsubscribe? Is he gonna be mad? Or will be? It's okay, I'm not gonna be mad. Not like then. Back in 2008. Which CP is not popular. Which is in old-fashioned way. Like rock, paper, scissors. That was time I was 5 years old. And I always use scissors. And I always lose. Which is making me mad. And the game Truth or Dare. Which the battle is gonna spin. And I always picked. Wait, again? And you're gonna pick Truth or Dare. And I always pick Dare, not Truth. Because I'm not in love with girls. I always left them behind. And never say I love you or goodbye.